This presentation introduces NU AdEx, a web-based system developed by the group of Paulo Miguel S. Alasco, Chloe Sofia de Bonifacio, Christian J. Kaduldulan, Kenneth R. Gunay, and John Don C. Villanueva, alumni from National University Manila of Bachelor of Science and Technology, major in mobile and web applications, guided by the Dean of CCIT Department, Professor Emelisa R. Yabut, and their capstone advisor, Dr. Ruben A. Wanatas. The presenters are me, Dorjumar U. Alaman, Roan Justin B. Baluyut, Vince Ignas O. Guardiano, Cyrex C. Gaco, and Ivan Ezequiel G. Regodon from INF 231. So now let's delve to the brief overview of every part of the paper. The title defines a web-based admission examination system for National University Manila with integrated item analysis and automated reporting, listing contributors and affiliations to contextualize the research. The abstract frames the shift from paper exams to digital platform offering real-time scoring, item banking, and analytics, aiming to streamline admission and enhance data-driven reporting. The introduction links COVID-19 driven digitalization to the need for an online, data-centric exam system at NU Manila, describing NU AdEx multi-role interfaces, automated reporting, statistical evaluation features, and its goal to modernize entrance testing workflows. The literature review identifies gaps in existing online exam platforms, non-combined item, banking, item analysis, multi-proctor management, real-time scoring, automated reporting, and field state handling which NU AdEx addresses. The technical background specifies a MERN-stack cloud-hosted architecture, MongoDB Atlas, Express.js, React.js, Node.js with Ngink/PM2 and bcrypt security, outlines software, hardware, network requirements, roles and three user interfaces, the administrator, proctor, and student. The methodology summarizes an agile SDLC with stakeholder-driven requirements, UI mockups, iterative MERN stack development, multi-level testing, functional, performance, security, and user acceptance, deployment on a private LAN, and compliance with data privacy standards. The summary confirms NU AdEx achievements, multi-section exam management, real-time dashboards, automated item analysis, and robust QA/user acceptance, and recommends adding exam scheduling, multi-campus deployment, and advanced randomization for enhanced functionality. The references list IEEE formatted sources covering pandemic-driven education changes, system design, item analysis, testing methodologies, and agile practices, validating the study's context and approach. So now let's delve to more detailed parts of the document. The COVID-19 pandemic forced over 1 billion learners to abandon on-site schooling, underscoring the fragility of paper-based processes. National University Manila faced long queues, manual exam scoring, and slow report generation. Furthermore, there was no mechanism to evaluate the effectiveness of individual exam questions. NU AdEx was conceived to address these systematic weaknesses.
NU AdEx replaces pen and paper exams with an integrated digital platform. It captures responses in real time, automatically calculates scores, applies statistical item analysis, and outputs comprehensive reports in both PDF and CSV formats for institutional decision making. The project defined four objectives: provide an applicant-facing exam UI, deliver admin dashboards with graphical and tabular reports, integrate statistical metrics, difficulty index, discrimination index, average score, and standard deviation into a dedicated module, and validate the solution through a comprehensive testing across four non-functional criteria.
NU AdX serves three roles. Super admins manage all aspects, including user and role configuration. Proctors create and monitor exam sessions. Student applicants log in, wait in a secure lounge, and complete time exam sections. The system comprises 8 core modules supporting these roles. Prior research demonstrates that web-based exams streamline scoring and provide data for deep analytics. Item banking frameworks dating back from the 1980s allow storage of calibrated questions. Big data methodologies in education support targeted academic interventions. And AdX integrates these scholarly insights into a single platform.
A survey of existing systems such as loans and news reveals partial feature sets. NU AdEx uniquely combines real-time dashboard analytics, multi-proctor management, comprehensive item banking, detailed item analysis tactics, automated reporting, and resilience against network or power failures.
The new AdEx technology stack is fully open source. The front end uses React.js and Tailwind CSS for responsive UI. The back end is built on Express.js and Node.js, communicating with MongoDB Atlas. NIGNX handles SSL termination and reverse proxy duties, and PM2 ensures that server process remains continuously available. The administrator dashboard aggregates key performance indicators, including total applicants, pass rates, and demographic breakdowns into a interactive charts. For specialized report submodules, generate detailed outputs for questions, performance, applicant data, exam results, and registration surveys, each exportable for offline analysis. Proctors use email session credentials to access a single-page console, showing each examinee's progress, enabling start, pause, or termination of the session. Applicants log in with NU Quest credentials and a room number, wait in a virtual lounge, and then proceed through our time sections of 5 questions each, and enforce section transitions and a final confirmation screen.
An agile methodology guided the project. Initial sprints captured detailed requirements and reduced design artifacts. Subsequent iterations delivered code in a MERN environment with continuous integration via GitLab. Testing phases included internal alpha test and an external beta test. Deployment required collaboration with the university's ITRO and end user training. Ongoing maintenance ensures the system remains secure and compliant.
Every module, login management, exam flow, reporting was subjected to granular unit tests, all of which passed successfully. Integration test validated complete user journeys in our staging environment, confirming that modules interact correctly without errors. Functional validation covered end user requirements and system stability during network or power failures. GT metrics performance metrics exceeds industry thresholds for web applications. Security scans with OWASP ZAP identified and resolved medium and low severity issues. Strict HTTP headers now enforce HTTPS, mitigating clickjacking and prevent content sniffing.
A structured first survey collected feedback from 30 student users and 10 IT experts. Students rated the system an overall 4.68 out of 5 or excellent. IT professionals awarded a 4.34 or very satisfactory. These results confirm that NU AdEx meets user expectations for both functionality and experience. The production environment runs on a scalable DigitalOcean droplet. Code is deployed via Git over SSH or direct file transfer via SFTP. NGINX and PM2 ensure continuous service delivery. The rollout phase encompass final quality checks, staff training, technical handoffs, a monitored go-live, and an enduring support agreement. In conclusion, NU AdEx has realized its vision, a comprehensive web platform that digitizes exams, performs advanced item analytics, and provides actionable reporting. It excels in performance, security, and usability. It is now positioned to transform admissions at NU Manila into a data-driven, efficient process. Future enhancements include a scheduling feature, campus-wide data centralization, more sophisticated question randomization for security, and offline catching capabilities. Thank you for your attention.